So the Zen school's the one that arguably will incorporate the largest number of Taoist elements. It was brought by Bodhidharma, none other than that figure who originated in Kanchipuram in South India and knew the Theravada world quite well, but makes his way through Central Asia all the way to China, where he is known as the blue-eyed barbarian. And one of his observations was to see that the monks sat too much, and he thought to incorporate elements of kinetic movement that he could see in the Taoist traditions of China into Buddhism. And this begins Buddhist martial arts, something that seems a bit odd for a tradition claiming the Buddha as its founder. And for the Zen practitioner, fancy doctrines, these are distractions from reality, which is here and now. And one can be aware completely in this present moment. There's no need to wait for reincarnation. They will develop the doctrine of no mind, kind of conflicting with the doctrine of one mind. The Zen practitioners will claim that there is no mind in the universe, and this idea of no mind will feed into the martial arts, the idea that too much mind will spoil fighting or anything one is doing in this world. And in the Chan, Zen, or Dhyana meditation tradition is a famous poetry battle where Shenshu expresses the one-mind doctrine, talking about the individual shining their mind like a mirror. The mind is a mirror bright, let not dust upon it a light. But Huineng, the common rice pounder in the monastery, not the fancy scholar, common theme in Zen, the common guy is the real deal. Huineng writes the next day his own poem. There is no mirror bright, no lampstand. What could it exist upon? If there's no lampstand for the mind, how could there be a mind? In other words, the mind would be dependent on the lampstand of this body. And he's saying there is neither lampstand nor mirror or mind. Therefore, how could dust land on it or defilements, leading to the very at odds with most Buddhist traditions idea that everything is enlightened just as it is, even if it's defiled and unawakened, if we knew it at the bottom level from a standpoint of no mind. Or we could say, to translate into Taoism, if we could know the unmanifest Tao.